Yes, good morning. Welcome again. I am K. Pritham from Village Global. So let's discuss about term insurance. Term insurance, as you all know, is a type of life insurance. Okay, but beneficial one and most apt one for the present day. What is the main basic basis of term insurance? It secures your loved ones or beloved ones in your absence. So, as I mentioned earlier, it's as part of social entrepreneurship. The intention is to penetrate insurance to remote corners of the society. Why anybody needs a term insurance is in case of be it natural death or unnatural death. Many blame the government instead of securing themselves through available opportunities. It could be road accidents, it could be suicides, or it could be murder, or it could be a natural death due to any ailment or without any ailment also. So our family members, there are dependents on us. So they are dependent on our monthly income or our financial avenues. But once the breadwinner of the family dies, many of the families have come to roads. Okay, in order to prevent such events, term insurance is a solution. Before asking you to buy term insurance, I ask you to pose yourself. I intend to pose this question to you. Do you have any friend or relative who can secure your family financially in your absence, be it for your children's education or marriage or loan repayment? The answer is obvious. Not everyone whom we think as our relatives or friends will help us at the time of our difficulty. Therefore, we should take care of our own family members, take care of our own family. Okay, so even if there is somebody to help you, obviously at a later stage you have to repay them. If nobody helps you, your situation will be even more pathetic. So in order to prevent your family member situation, family members degenerating to such a situation, it's always better that to protect them through term insurance. So what is term insurance? Let's say it's just like any life insurance, that is the beneficiary will be the nominee after one's death. Okay, let's say a person buys a term insurance at the age of 25 or 30, and let's say in between he or she dies at the age of 50, and he has bought this term insurance for 1 cr, 1 crore. So his nominee, it could be his wife or mother or parents or his own son or daughter, they will get 1 crore rupees. That 1 crore rupees in the person's absence is going to be beneficial for them in various ways. Okay, one thing is it helps them financially, okay, during the absence. Okay, and education expenses. You never know, especially in the days of pandemic, who succumbs to what kind of injury, what kind of epidemic, or what kind of diseases. Okay, so educational expenses also need to be met. Okay, whether it is a son or a daughter. And marriage expenses, as you all know, yeah. Indian families are known for spending their entire savings on marriages. Okay, and if the breadwinner of the family is absent or is dead at the time or during that crucial time, the situation many a times marriage itself does not happen. So it's that crucial. Then loan repayment. Loan repayment, it could be a housing loan, any type of loans that the breadwinner has availed. So if the breadwinner dies, what will the, let's say if a wife is unemployed or she is not working and and she has small kids, how are they going to repay? It's very difficult for them. So if you have a term insurance, it's always better for them. They can utilize their money for their own benefit. Then you'll have peace of mind. Why? Because you need not worry about your family members in your absence. Because if a person or if a person who has availed this term insurance dies, the family members will be secured financially because of the amount that they get. Okay, that peace of mind during one's life. Then it's exempted under Section 80C and Section 1010D of the Income Tax Act 1961. You can avail it for tax exemption also, and it's a kind of social service. As I told you, many people die due to ill health or due to various reasons. The premium that you pay is given for them. See, insurance is like collecting from 100 people, collecting the premium from 100 people and helping the 10 people. Okay, not all 100 are going to die immediately today. Okay, so that is the main agenda. So don't hesitate to have this health insurance or term insurance, because it's first thing is primarily it helps you. Second, it helps you and your family members. Second is tax exemption. Third is it's a kind of social service. So whenever you have the opportunity, and main criteria for term insurance is not everybody can avail this term insurance. So most of the companies have kept a benchmark, that is a person should have minimum 5 lakhs of annual income. Okay, 5 lakhs of annual income, only then he or she can avail a term insurance of 1 crore. Okay, however, there are various companies which offer term insurance for 75 lakhs or 50 lakhs, even if you have annual income of less than 5 lakhs. So to know which company is better, which company suits your needs, meets all your requirements. And again, as I mentioned in the health insurance video, here also you have to look for claim settlement ratio and look for after service surveys. And some of the companies also cover critical illness here and also accidental benefit. So critical illness, the moment you are diagnosed of critical illness, they will give you 50% of the amount to you when you are alive itself. So that's better, right? Let's say if a person who has bought a term insurance is diagnosed with cancer, the moment he is diagnosed of cancer, within 30 days, he is given 50 lakhs, because it helps him financially, more or financially, because when you are diagnosed with cancer, you can't go to work, you can't lead a normal life. At least with that 50 lakhs, you can you can at least get medical treatment. Health insurance part is different. The hospitalization will be taken care by health insurance. But in term insurance or critical insurance, when you buy separately, they will give that lump sum amount to you. You can do whatever you want with that. Okay, that's why it is very much important. So whenever you get a chance, you please buy health insurance and term insurance, primarily to secure yourself, to secure your family members, and as part of social service to secure the society. And whenever you come across, meet people, you please share the word. Only if you wish them well, if you're a well-wisher, you please share this word to avail health insurance and term insurance for the benefit of their own family members. So that's all about this